see this man outside your windows, lock your doors and your basement. This man might come for your kid and your wife and you. Lock your doors. You do not know what's out there. He might be selling candy. If you see a man with a thing on their ear, you need to run. Call the cops. I'm sure they could handle it. Please do not see this man outside. If you see him with candy on him, you need to run. That man is trying to kill you. Get out of the way or run with your speeding boost shoes. Go put on some Jordans. Get out of there. Do a Kobe dunk on him. If you see this man looking outside of you, if you see him looking at you, you either need a taser or a beating stick to hit him with. If he grabs that spike, it's game over for you. You need to run. If you see this man smiling and laughing and waving at you and your kids and your wife and your child, call the cops now. Yup, it's definitely over for you. Bye-bye. Yup, that's it.